Imagine a place where planes vanish mid-flight and ships disappear without a trace. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle. This enigmatic region, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is nestled in the Atlantic Ocean, with its vertices anchored by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. The Bermuda Triangle has long been shrouded in mystery, with tales of unexplained phenomena and inexplicable disappearances. From the mysterious vanishing of Flight 19 in 1945, to the puzzling disappearance of the colossal USS Cyclops in 1918, the Bermuda Triangle has been the centerpiece of many a maritime legend. But how did this reputation come about? What are the stories behind these baffling incidents? And are there any scientific theories that can shed light on these mysteries? As we delve into the annals of history, we're going to explore these questions and more, so buckle up as we embark on an intriguing journey into the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle. Our first encounter with the Triangle's mystery starts with the USS Cyclops in 1918. This colossal naval cargo ship, laden with manganese ore, set sail from Brazil to Baltimore. The ship, with a crew of over 300 men, was a spectacle of the seas. Yet, it vanished without a trace. The disappearance remains the single largest loss of life in U.S. naval history, not directly involving combat. Despite extensive investigations, no concrete evidence or wreckage has ever been found. The mystery of the USS Cyclops remains unsolved, fueling speculations and theories of supernatural interventions. Fast forward to 1945, the Bermuda Triangle would make headlines again with the disappearance of Flight 19. A squadron of 5 torpedo bombers embarked on a routine training mission. The flight was led by an experienced pilot, Lieutenant Charles Carroll Taylor. However, during the mission, Taylor reported a malfunction in his compass. Following this, a series of confusing and contradictory messages were sent by Taylor to the base. Then, silence. The flight, along with its 14 crew members, disappeared without a trace. A rescue plane with 13 crew members was dispatched to find them, but it too vanished. The extensive search and rescue operation that followed turned up nothing. No wreckage, no debris, not even a hint of what might have happened. The disappearance of Flight 19 is particularly intriguing because of the mysterious circumstances surrounding it. The fact that an experienced pilot like Taylor could get so disoriented added fuel to the growing legend of the Bermuda Triangle. The lack of a clear explanation for the disappearance of Flight 19 and the rescue plane has made it one of the most defining incidents of the Bermuda Triangle. These incidents, among others, ignited the public's imagination, and conspiracy theories began to swirl. The Bermuda Triangle, with its history of unexplained disappearances, became a fertile ground for stories of alien abductions, time warps, and even the lost city of Atlantis. Despite the intrigue and mystery, it's essential to remember that these are just theories, and the truth may be much more mundane. Over the years, various theories have been put forth to explain the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. One such theory involves magnetic anomalies. Some believe that the triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This could potentially cause navigation systems to malfunction, leading to ships and planes veering off course. But this theory is not universally accepted. Some experts argue that modern navigation systems account for this difference, rendering the magnetic anomaly theory insufficient in explaining the triangle's mysteries. Another intriguing hypothesis centers around methane gas hydrates. These are essentially deposits of methane trapped within a crystal structure of water, forming a solid similar to ice. If these hydrates, which are found in large quantities on the ocean floor, were to suddenly release their gas, it could theoretically cause the water's density to drop, leading to a ship sinking almost instantaneously. But again, there's a catch. While this phenomenon has been observed in a laboratory setting, there's no concrete evidence of it happening in the wild, let alone in the Bermuda Triangle. Now, let's not forget the role of human error and natural disasters. The Triangle is known for its unpredictable weather patterns, with sudden storms, rogue waves, and even waterspouts being relatively common. It's not hard to imagine how an unprepared ship or plane could fall victim to these harsh conditions. Similarly, human error could account for a significant number of the reported disappearances. Navigational mistakes, mechanical failures, or even simple miscommunications could all result in disastrous outcomes. Despite these plausible scientific explanations, some still believe in the supernatural powers of the Bermuda Triangle. Whether you buy into these theories, believe in the supernatural, or perhaps think there's another explanation entirely, one thing is for certain. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a source of fascination and intrigue for many around the world. But how much truth is there in these stories of the Bermuda Triangle? Let's delve into the data. When we examine the number of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle, we see that it's not statistically more dangerous than other heavily traveled regions. Yes, there have been incidents, but consider the volume of air and marine traffic that passes through this area. When we look at the numbers in context, the Bermuda Triangle doesn't stand out as particularly ominous. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the role of media and sensationalism. It's undeniable that the Bermuda Triangle has been a goldmine for storytellers. The idea of a mysterious region swallowing ships and planes whole is a compelling narrative, isn't it? But these stories often overlook or outright ignore the mundane explanations like human error or bad weather, in favor of more dramatic and supernatural theories. The reality is, the Bermuda Triangle isn't a paranormal black hole or an alien hotspot. It's a region of the Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes travel frequently, and occasionally, accidents happen. The same can be said for any other busy region in the world. So while the Bermuda Triangle remains a popular topic for mystery and intrigue, it's important to separate fact from fiction. The Bermuda Triangle, a place of mystery or a victim of media hype. We've explored its history, delved into scientific theories and debunked prevalent myths. From magnetic anomalies to methane gas hydrates, the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle often finds its roots in natural phenomena or human error. It's crucial not to get swept away by sensationalism and instead, lean into our natural curiosity. So next time you hear a spooky story about the Bermuda Triangle, remember there's usually a scientific explanation waiting to be discovered.